Welcome back friends. Today's topic is regarding how to add comma separated values in Microsoft Excel. Here in this Excel sheet I have the data of some products and their quantity sold from January to June, and the values are given in CSV format or comma separated format like 12, 13, 9 and so on. The requirement there is to add these CSV values here in the total quantity sold column. To calculate the total quantity, I'll use two methods. First one is the formula method, which is applicable to Excel 365 or the Excel version where there is text split function available, because I am going to use sum plus text split. The second method is the VBA method, that is applicable to old and new both versions. First of all, let's see the formula method. In this cell, press equal to, then use here sum function, open bracket, combine the text split function, open bracket. In the text parameter, click on this cell where there is CSV values, comma, and in the column delimiter, put a double quotation, comma, double quotation, close bracket, then put here multiplied with 1, close bracket and press enter. Here you see this is the total of the quantities. You can now use the fill handle to drag this down. Let's look into second method, that is the VBA method. In this method, we have to create a custom function for adding the CSV values. The VBA code required for creating the custom function is here in this notepad document. You can get this code from the link given in the video description. Select and copy this code. Click on Developer tab, then Visual Basic. Click on the Insert tab, then Module. Here, paste the copied code. Now close the VBA editor window. Now here in Excel you will see a new function, that is sum CSV. Press equal to in a cell, then type here sum CSV function. Here you see the function is given. Open a bracket, then click on the cell where there is CSV values, close bracket and press enter. And here you see the total is calculated. Use the fill handle to drag it down. So this is how you can calculate the sum of the CSV values in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download the sample data file from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video tutorial.